There is a reason the word home is a key part of the bigger word motorhome, and it's right here. Hi, it's Steve, and this is the 2026 Chateau 31H. Anything you could do at home, you can do when you are out on the road. Whether you are grilling with the exterior kitchen, whether you're living it up inside, north to south bed, beautiful bath, lots of seating, great kitchen, and most importantly, a ton of space so you're not tripping and walking all over each other. We're gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you just how much room you have in this 31H. So just like your home, you can go anywhere you want unencumbered, whether you are on that north to south bed, whether you need to use the bathroom, grab a snack, have a meal, make a meal, or even catch a nap. A lot of room in this 31H, 84 inches of ceiling height in here, and you're thinking, wow, that is spacious. You can even put that jackknife sofa out, and this is with the wall in. We want to get this wall out and set up camp. So we're going to use those one-touch leveling jacks, optional on your 31H. Those are located over in the door well. You have to have your engine on for that. Let's get that parking brake set as well. Jacks are set. Now let's put out our slide using the touch and go control. You can do that from either the main screen or through the app. All you have to do, hit the extend button. Once you pair this up with your phone, everything you want to do, including putting the slide wall out. You can even lock the doors to your 31H using the app. It is an awesome system to have. If there's a fault in your shore power, that will show up here. Check the level of your propane tank, your fresh, your black, your gray. Emergency start, turn on your tank heaters, turn on your water pump, anything you want to check on right from here. And then when you want to set that 4,000 watt gas generator, all you have to do is hit the button, pulls up like that, swipe it to enable. Now you can start and stop it from here as well. Check your battery voltage, and then you set the triggers from your battery level, your runtime, your start temperature, quiet time. Make this work for you in your 31H. And while we're up here, I want to go through some of the features of your infotainment center because you want music while you're driving, right? You got it. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. All you have to do is download your favorite RV specific navigation app, and then you plug it in and that will display here. And you can move this display to take the glare off, or maybe you're outside and someone is going to be here as you put out the slide. Whatever you want to do, it's a great system to have. You can pull up your backup camera at any point just by touching that button. You can also use the thumb pad on the steering wheel as well. This will pull up the backup camera and the side view cameras at any point. Now the side view cameras will go on when you turn on your directional, but you can pull that up beforehand. The rest of these buttons are going to be for your Bluetooth and for volume. Over here, this thumb pad is for maintenance reminders and trip meters, cruise control here. We have the heated remote mirrors on this 31H, auto headlights, HVAC, cup holders, a lot of storage up here. It is a great driving machine. This is built on a Ford E450 chassis with a 6-speed transmission and a powerful 7.3 liter V8. But now we're at camp and we want to go, right? We want to live in all of the glorious 31H amenities, right? We have our over the cab bunk up here, 800-pound capacity. The ladder, collapsible. It stores in the back. We'll show you when we get away back there. Secret storage under here. Great for whoever is up there, including a smart TV. WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender on board. So you can dial in your own hotspot no matter where you happen to be, stream all of your favorites, get a little work done, post to the social media sites, however you want to use it, go for it. Let's talk about our living area here. So we're going to have 2 seat belts here in the sofa. This is going to be standard. 2 seat belts in the dinette, and we have seat belts up here. So seat belts for 6. And in this configuration, we're going to have sleeping in the queen bed, sleeping here, sleeping on the sofa, and sleeping in the over the cab bunk. If you don't need the extra sleeping, you can option in theater seating. You're still going to get 2 seat belts. Nice shelf back here as well. Push button reading lights, 110s, and all kinds of storage. This is our snow leopard decor and our Hampton collection 2-tone woodwork. Beautiful look in the 31H. Feels like home, maybe. Maybe that's what the H in 31H stands for, is home. Let's talk about our dinette here because this is versatility at its finest. Anything happens here, from meals to games to getting work done to even just enjoying the trip, charging your device on the wireless charger here, USB-A and USB-C ports. The other thing you're going to love about your living area, and again, just like home, notice the size of the windows in here and just the sheer amount of natural light. These open as well, so you can just pull that, open that, let in a breeze. There's a screen there as well. If you want to open the screen, you can do that. Lock those up, and then when you are gone for the day or at night, just pull the roller blinds. This way, one at night, it's privacy, but during the day, you pull these down, keeps the sun rays out of here, and it's gonna help those 11,000 BT UACs run more efficiently. 2 come standard on your 31H, and what's nice, you have a power management system on board as well to make sure that all your electric runs smooth. Beautiful and extremely large campsite kitchen. With the countertop in a kitchen of this size, you better call in Meal Team 6 for your hungry family because anything goes here. Pop-up outlet 110s, USB-A, USB-C. Bring along a coffee maker. You have plenty of room to store it in here. More cabinets up above for a pantry or for appliances. Use it to make it work for you. Large cabinets down below. We have the privacy curtains here right now, but you're gonna wanna take and you will put those up over the cab here at night for privacy, or again, to block out the sunlight. A couple of shelves in there. Large sink, you can roll out that if you wanna do some dishes there, a pull-down sprayer. We have more drawers here. 3-burner gas cooktop, oven, microwave, and a very large 12-volt fridge right here. Freezer on top, fridge down below. It is already cold, and a massive, massive pantry. So you can really load up for everyone on board in this 31H. And that is going to take us right here to this large split bath. Over on this side, we have our shower. I can stand up in here. Plenty of headroom thanks to the skylight. Shower is on a wand. Glass door as well. And then we get into the potty portion of your 31H. A lot of counter space in here. You have a window that opens. You also have a vent fan. Large medicine cabinet up top. Lots of storage down below. A place for towels and all your extras. GFCI outlet. Tankless hot water as well, thanks to the Suburban furnace. This is really nice because once you're all connected at camp, and we'll show you how to do that when we go outside, you're hooked up, endless hot water. Easy to dial in the temperature from here. You also have protections built in, such as scald protection, and if the system senses a fault, the gas is gonna shut off. So a nice Suburban tankless water heater on board in this nice large midship bath. And that takes us right back here into our queen bed. This is a north-south queen bed. Large wardrobes on each side. The ladder for the over-the-cab bunk stores on here. You have 2 hanging rods you can take and move the bottom one out if you want. Tons of room back here. 2 cabinets up above. Below, push-button reading lights. Over here, a nice little storage net, USB-A and USB-C charging. Over on the nightstand, 110s, 12-volt USB-A, USB-C. You also have another large wardrobe over there. One of the ACs is right here, so that's fantastic. So the people up front, they can stay cool. And then at night, you can dial in the temperature for you. The thermostat is right back here. There's also TV prep back here if you would like to add in another TV. So this is everything you could ask for in a home. And that's just the inside. But just like when you're at your house, you don't spend the entire time inside, do you? You go outside. And when you are exploring in a 31H, anything you could want is out there. We are gonna open all the bays and show you that massive storage bay. And always my favorite, that pull-out griddle and cooler. We're gonna start right here inside the doorway real quick. A number of controls and switches. 1-touch leveling jack, your 12-volt battery disconnect switch, buttons for some lights. The blue button right here, that is how you set the touch and go on your way out. controls for your awning, and you have controls for that 100 watts of solar charging. So let's go back up one and control that awning. We're gonna take and hold that button down. Now your awning is going to come out and you are going to create a great amount of shade from over your entry door all the way to the back. Beautiful shade at your campsite. And then you have a nice LED strip underneath. You can control all that right there from inside the door. It's also nice you have this screen door. So if you want to let in the ventilation, we've opened the windows, a nice breeze is blowing, and you get a great amount of ventilation inside your 31H. A lot of storage on this as well. 170 cubic feet of storage, roto cast material, so it's not going to mold, it's not going to get base stink, it's not going to mildew. You can hose this out when you are done, and it is ready for your next trip. You know what this is? Do you know what this is? This is the SmoothTech suspension system. So this is going to go right about here. So what this is going to do is going to give you more travel in your leaf spring. It's going to give you more travel in your axle. This nice piece of rubber here is going to do all the absorbing of that back and forth rocking motion. So for your passengers sitting in the back, they will not get car sick or motion sickness because you have SmoothTech on board. Makes for a smoother ride, not a stiffer ride. You also want your house to be flat, solid, and just top notch, right? That's why we team up with the engineers at MORryde. So when we get this F450 chassis in, it is just going to be straight rails. And then we have them work with our engineers to say, listen, this is what we need for a 31H. We want it balanced. We want the generator here. We want the black tank here. We want a freshwater tank here. Then it is designed specifically for the 31H. We have steel beams that go from wall to wall for a nice level foundation. And while they're building that foundation, they're going to get that SmoothTech installed for you on that 31H. As we work our way down, a few more items I want to point out, including a couple of 110s right there. So make sure you have your generator on or you're plugged into shore power. Maybe you have that generator on and you are kicked back under that awning and you are watching your smart TV. So anything you want to stream, you've connected to that line guard. Now you can sit outside and turn your 31H into your own private drive-in. That is awesome. Another little storage bay down here. Again, the nice rotocast material, blacked out wheels, blacked out mirrors, ties in great with this optional partial paint. Good look for the 31H. Over here, we have dirt on our 31H. What are we gonna do? We could use our shirt, we could wipe it off, but why not give it a good wash? And right here, an exterior hose, you can plug that in right there. And now, turn on your water pump. Unless you're connected to city water, you can take and wash down your 31H, or maybe you wanna wash down those greasy utensils after you grill, or griddle as the case may be, some smash burgers on your Blackstone. So this is a great option to have. Not only do you have this large 22-inch griddle, 12-volt cooler as well, so you can stock this with all your drinks, maybe your burgers, your dogs, your steaks, whatever you want to do, just store in here. Fantastic to have. And notice the room in this storage bay. Huge storage, 170 cubic feet, over 2,000 pounds on your occupant and cargo carrying capacity. So if you'd rather have this storage instead of the griddle and the cooler, that's all right. Then you have this entire storage bay, but pass through from side to side, little storage cubbies in here, whether you want to take and store things under here. Like right now we have our detachable 30 amp shore power cord in there. And what's really cool is there is a table stored on the other side, so you can break that out, you can set that up. Now you have your own table you are using instead of the nasty one at the campground you are staying at. While we're back here, I want to point out our ladder leading up to the roof, one-piece fiberglass upper rear cap, steel bumper, and an 8,000-pound hitch. And one of the things you're going to love about the 31H is just how easy it is to use and set up, because you don't want any hassles when you are at camp. So check this out. All your connections are right here, which means you can open this bay, and this is where that table stores I was talking about. Really cool. So nothing hidden. It's all out in the open, so you can get set up fast and easy, whether you are filling your fresh water tank, whether you're connecting to the city water, whether you're flushing your tank. 55 gallons of gas right here. And then right down here, your termination handles. So you just hook up your potty python, run that out to your campsite, drain your tanks, done. Fast, easy. And then you can go inside and maybe take in a little cable TV. That's where your coax would go. 30 amp shore power connects right there. Exhaust for your tankless hot water. Propane is right here. So you're gonna want that full for the griddle, for your hot water, and for your heat. Notice the size of the slide wall. This piece of fiberglass comes from this piece of fiberglass. So there is not a warehouse of slide rooms where we say, we need one 31H to go. No, comes from the same cut when we vacuum bond and laminate our sidewalls, our roof, and our flooring. We have aluminum cage construction with black foam insulation, and then we lay it on top of that perfectly smooth foundation we talked about, nice, flat, a very square house, and the slide wall is gonna stay protected because we have slide toppers right up there, so when your slide goes out, none of that sky garbage from leaves and whatever it is may be falling from the sky, not gonna get in between the slide wall and the top of your 31H and gum up the works. Right here, our 4,000 watt quiet gas generator. That will power everything in your 31H, including those two 11,000 BTU AC units when you're on the road. So go ahead and use it. That's why it's here. Our side view cameras are mounted right here, so you're gonna get a nice clean field of vision when you turn on your directional or use the thumb pad that we showed you when we were inside. Nice running boards right here. Courtesy lights as well. Those will go on when you open the door. You have remote key fobs. Really, this is everything you could ask for in a home you can take anywhere. So why not discover the world and build your own Chateau 31H right now at thormotorcoach.com.